Hi, my name is Lawrence, and I'm a web developer, and I've been creating websites for over 15 years. And within this course, I'm going to be introducing you to CSS. So essentially, what CSS can do is turn a website just like this, and updating some CSS code here, adding our style sheet, saving it, bringing it over, refreshing it, we get a completely styled website from that HTML structure just by applying our CSS styling to that web page content. So I'm going to show you how to work with CSS to apply some styling to your HTML content. We're going to look at how to bring CSS onto your web page, also the basics of CSS syntax, how to apply backgrounds. We're going to look at the box model, so everything from borders, margins to padding. Also working with margins, how to set basics of width and height. All of the source code is included that we're going to be using within this course as well. So it's just a quick example of the box model here. We're also going to be showing you how to work with text, how to get different fonts in. So this is Google Fonts, and you can pick different fonts, add them onto your web page. We're also going to be looking at how we can update fonts, working with list items, turning them into menus, how to create hyperlinks and activate hyperlinks on hover, and all of this using CSS. Also applying different display properties, working with fonts, and then we're going to finally put it all together and update our source code to create an actual web page styled with CSS from our source code that we're going to be working with throughout the course. So all of the content is included. I'm including source code within this course as well, in order for you to be able to access the code and practice the code that we're going to be going through within this course. So when you're ready, let's get ready to learn and practice CSS.